Subscribers, today I will show you how you can fix your problem with sound problem in Windows 10. So for doing this you just need to go here, open search tab and enter Control here. After choose Control panel and choose here, and now you just choose manager device manager, and here you will see sound. So just click here on dynamics right button on mouse and click update driver, and click on auto setup drivers, and after you do it just click here, and here in sound and video choose here high definition audio like you do in previous time. Just right click on button and choose update driver, and here update driver. So maybe you can find here your sound card, and you can do this with your sound card. So just update drivers, and after you update driver you just restart your computer, and maybe if problem was in drivers, it will fixed and all will work. So thank you for watching, have a nice day, subscribe on my channel, click like, and goodbye.